Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we would like to see a program decoding strings. For example, A4, B2, C2, A2. We have to print A4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, B2 times 1, 2, C2 times and A2 times. Shall we begin with our program? As usual, scanner class, we get input as a string. Then we initialize count equal to 0. After that, we iterate a string using for loop. Here we get the input, the same stuff we do it. Yeah. If we iterate the loop, string index start with 0. First, it will come A for I equal to 0. I equal to 0. It will fetch A. Then it's check it is character or not. In Java, to check the given string is character, we do it like character dot is digit of s1 dot caret of I. This s1 dot caret of I here is A. A is a digit. No, that character is a digit. No, it's a alphabet. It's a letter. So it will not go to this loop. So after that, I will get incrementer. Now I is equal to 1. I is equal to 1. The character is s1 dot character of I is equal to 4. 4, if character dot is digit of 4 is a digit, so condition true. Now the count became s1 dot character of I is 4. First the character will convert it to string. Now string is 4. The string will convert it to integer using integer dot parseInt. So I count became 4. After that, we initialize num equal to 0. While num is greater than count. Sorry, num is less than count. 0 is less than 4. So satisfy the condition. It will print s1 dot caret of I minus 1. Here the caret of I is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So it will print s1 dot caret of 0. S1 dot caret of 0 is A. 0 A. So it will print A one time. After that, we increment the count to 1. Now 1 less than 4, condition true. It's again print. It's again print A. Now the count is 2. 2 less than 4. Again count is 3. Count is 2. Then count is 3. 3 less than 4, condition 2. It will print again A. After that, the num is 4. Count is also 4. Less than or equal to satisfy the condition. But here the less than. So it comes out from the loop. After that, I will get increment to 2. I will get increment to 2 into 0, 1, 2 is B. B is not a character, so it will get incremented. I will get incremented to 3. 3 is 2. 2 is a digit. So in I count, it will store 2. Num is reinitialized to 0. 0 less than 2 as the condition satisfied. S1 dot caret of I. Now I is 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So S1 dot caret of 2 what? In the given string, caret of 2, 0, 1, 2 is B. So it will print B. Now increment to 1. 1 less than 2, condition true. So it will again print B. The output I will show you separately. First in 4A, it will print. Then 2 less than 2, condition false. So it will print PV only. It will store to output. After that, it will now I is equal to 4. I is equal to 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is C. C is digit, no, not a digit, so it will not go for if loop. So I will get incremented to 5. 5 is 2. 2 is a digit, so it remains same. The S1 dot character of I2 will stored in count. Num is equal to 0. For 0 less than 2, has the condition true. Caret of I minus 1. So caret of I is 5. Here the 5 minus 1, 4. So S1 dot caret of 4 what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is C. So S1 dot caret of 4 is C. It will print that. Then again 1 less than 2, condition true. So the same C will be printed again. Here also C will get printed. Now 2 less than 2, condition false. So I will get incremented to 6. 6 is again a character, it's an alphabetical letter. It will not satisfy the condition, so it will not go to look for if condition. So I will get incremented again for 7. 7 is 2. Yes, it's a digit, character dot is digit. So I count as 2. Num is equal to 0. 0 less than 2, S. So 7 minus 1, caret of 6. Caret of 6, there is A. So A will get printed. Num increment to 1. 1 less than 2, condition true. So again A will get printed. Now 2 less than 2, condition false. I is less than string length, so condition false. So it will come again for loop. It will print output as 4A, 2B, 2C, and 2A. Let me check the program. For that, I minimize the screen. Run the program. I will give the same input. So it will print A4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then B2, 2B, C2, 2C, 2A. Yeah, that's all for today. I leave the program solution in the description. Kindly check it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in another video. Until bye.